sounds we are studying one by one, day by day. It's a different terminology. We are describing a different terminology associated with sounds and reverberations. There are such types of the terminology through which we can use this in auditoriums as increasing reverberation, decreasing also how that reverberations produced and the productions of reverberations depending upon the reverberations and the timings in which our distance in which through which we can produce the perfect reverberations, and the high reverberations cause the problems and because of the overlapping of the sounds, because reverberation forms when the sound overlaps reflected sounds that was striking after striking reflected from the walls, and the overlaps that form the reverberation. So with the help of that, some definitions we will describe here. So what is reverberation? So here is the reverberation, the persistence of sound. Reverberations, okay. Reverberation. What is reverberation? So now we will discuss the reverberation, the persistence of sound in a big halls. Okay, the persistence of sound in a big hall. Persistence of sound in a big hall due to the repeated reflections from the wall. Due to the repeated reflection from the wall. Okay, repeated reflections from the wall. Reflections from the walls, ceiling, and the floor of the wall is ceiling and floor of the wall. Floor of the walls known as reverberations. Okay, reverberation known as reverberations. This occurs when the original sound and reflected sounds. Okay, it occurs when the original and reflected sound overlaps. This is the overlapping of these sounds. Overlaps. For reverberations to occur, so reflections occur at least for reverberations. Reflection should be okay. Reverberations reflections should be less than 70 meters distance. Less than 17 meter distance. 17 meter distance. Okay. A short reverberations is desirable. Short reverberation is desirable, and long reverberations is undesirable. Because of long durations is because of the highly reverberations, because of sound become blur, distorted, and confusing. Because of sound blurring, distorting and confusing. Okay, confusing. These are the confusings. There is a overlapping of different sounds. To reduce the reverberations, to reduce the variations, we should, okay, for reductions of the reverberations, we should cover with, we should uh, we should cover the wall, cover with sound absorbent material, cover with sound absorbent absorbent material, like sound absorbent materials. If you are like materials, absorbent materials like compressed fiber board, rough plasters, compressed fiber board, rough wall, okay, fiber board, rough plaster or draperies, plasters or rough plasters or draperies. Okay, these are the situations by means of which we can reduce the reverberation. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye. And so we can also watch it clearly, so that if you are not watching it clearly, I will show you that. So what's the meaning of the reverberations, and the one by one, so we will describe the years as descriptions is given here. So descriptions is necessary, and if you don't understand any descriptions we are showing here, so that you can understand it's clearly reverberations, that is all told you the all part of the reverberations, and it's descriptions one by one, so you can understand with the help of these words I have written here on blackboards, and the different terminology is also included in it. So you can also watch these reverberations with the help of the these words, and also reverberations can be can understood it well. So okay, bye bye, thank you.